Music to my ears, understanding English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of idioms, specifically the phrase, music to my ears. Idioms are a key part of mastering English, and understanding them can really enhance your fluency. So, let's get started and find out why this phrase is music to our ears. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. These expressions can often be confusing for English learners because they don't make sense when taken literally. Music to my ears is a perfect example of an idiom. The phrase, music to my ears, is used when hearing something that is very pleasing or gratifying. It's like when you hear your favorite song. It makes you feel good. Similarly, when someone says something that you really want to hear, it's as pleasant as listening to beautiful music. It's often used in response to good news or a happy surprise. Let's see some examples to understand this idiom better. 1. When the boss announced the bonus, it was music to my ears. 2. Hearing that she had passed her exams was music to her ears. In these sentences, the phrase is used to express the happiness and pleasure felt upon hearing good news. It's great to know the meaning, but it's even better to use it in conversation. Here's how. When you receive good news, you can say, "That's music to my ears." To emphasize how pleasing something is, you might comment, "Hearing your plans, that's music to my ears." That's all for today's lesson on the idiom, music to my ears. Remember, idioms are a fun and integral part of learning English, adding color and depth to your conversations. We hope this lesson was as enjoyable for you as it was for us. Keep practicing, and soon, using idioms will be music to your ears too. See you in the next video.